First thing is I'd like to read you something. And I'm quite pleased today here that we've actually got teachers from different year levels as well, because I'd like to read you something from a student. She writes this: Donald Trump is a candidate for the presidency in America. I'm very sad about this because he isn't a good man, because he wants to build a wall and he doesn't like Muslims. I like Barack Obama more, and it's upsetting he can't run again because in my opinion he was a good president because he killed Osama bin Laden. And despite the unemployment rate, which has increased under his presidency, he has been a fair and welcoming president, unprejudiced, and helped America greatly. How old is that child?
5.
It's a good guess. It's a good guess. That girl is in the scholarship cohort, year 13 in one of our schools. And this is to hearten the impact on a child's voice, command and articulation. Here she is 10 minutes later after being taught some sentence styles. Donald Trump, sexist, racist, rich, is running for the presidency of America. Interestingly, in recent polls he appears to be in the lead. Donald Trump, despite his awful qualities, is very well known around America. Therefore, in my opinion, more people are voting for him. Yet the qualities he demonstrates should be regarded as reasons not to vote. Full stop. It's really, really important. If you asked me for a building block of this whole program, you start with the sentence. You learn command over the sentence, and you learn command over crafting that sentence 5 or 6 different ways, and suddenly you see the student's voice appear in rapid fashion.